In this video, we're taking a closer look at how the RSS Ticker works. Let's start by creating a new playlist. We'll call this RSS Ticker. And let's open the playlist. We'll find the RSS Ticker in our RSS apps. When we add the RSS Ticker, we can move it around, resize it. And in the sidebar, we have tools for alignment. Find RSS Feed is where we can search for feeds around the globe. In this example, we'll pick the Las Vegas Review-Journal. When we search and choose a RSS feed, notice that the feed URL changes accordingly. If we had built our own media RSS feed, we'd simply add the URL here. We can choose if we'd like the title, the description, or both. We can choose any of the fonts we have in our font library. We can make the text bold, italic, or add an underline, and of course, change the color of the text. We can choose the text size. We can choose how many feeds we'd like in a rotation, but note that the slide duration automatically overrides this if the duration of the slide is shorter than the rotation. The refresh interval tells the plugin when to look for updated feeds. We can also change the speed of the ticker, meaning how fast is the text moving from one side to the other. This is how it looks when we choose normal. And this is how it looks when we choose fast. The direction of the ticker can be set to left or right, meaning the text can move either from left to right or right to left. Always on top makes it possible to keep the RSS ticker on top of other layers, like photos, videos, and so forth. Lastly, we can have multiple RSS tickers in a slide, running different content. In this example, we'll simply copy the plugin and change the settings in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.